I mean, I eat normal like everybody else, and weight caught up to me. A lot was going on in life. I was moving from state to state and cleaning a lot, eating a lot of crappy food that was quick.
How
Oh, that's
much
right.
weight did you lose when you were on Let It Go diet?
I lost 33 pounds.
When you're doing this type of change in your diet, you want to measure different metrics, starting at the beginning.
I think we're both astonished by were the body metrics that you gained from this, because don't go into Let It Go diet thinking you're just going to lose weight. You will. That's, to me, that's like a sub product of eating clean. My blood pressure was 129 over, we'll say low 80s. And so 129 over low 80s. And then when I was finished, it was in the lower 100s, over like 65 to 70. So it was still really good.
Just to go back to what you were saying, this diet, I would say, is for everyone. It's a 21-day eating plan, juice cleanse. The goal of it really is just to make sure everyone is nourished. We also really wanted to stress the importance of how you were able to control your emotional eating when you first started versus when you finished the diet.
Well, you taught me that. She is the one that taught me to be cognizant of emotional eating. So I did not know 90% of the time I emotionally eat.
Yeah, I think it's pretty common for a lot of people to eat when they're feeling emotional about something. So,
Emotionally eating taught me to look at the externalities in life and how it goes into my food choices and how it goes into what I'm putting into my body. And I try to stop eating when I feel full versus overeating.
perfect. Well, what's the cost of the Let It Go diet, if you had to estimate?
Feeling like you do right now, and feeling fat and not sexy, that's ultimately the cost that you're enduring by not doing something
by
great.
not doing it.
by not doing something great from your body. You can get off meds by putting the right food in your mouth. You may think you're restricting your calories with Let It Go diet. You're not letting go of food. You're going to be eating more food. Again, one portion fills up probably a half the size of this table. And for other juices, I mean, it's the whole table.
Yeah, lots of color, lots of nutrients, lots of vitamins. You want to nourish your body. That's the number one thing I would say.
Well, I'm still going to go with tasty.
And tasty.
You're going to learn to be a vegan chef.